What's the deal with starting a lease electric car business? It's actually a surprisingly smart venture right now. EVs are hot, leasing is low risk for customers, and governments are practically throwing money at green business initiatives. Opportunity is everywhere. Here's the problem. Most people think these businesses are only for the Teslas of the world. Not true. Small businesses can compete just fine. You don't need a fleet of 100 cars on day one. Start small. Strategic growth matters more. First, understand your market. Who needs leased EVs? Think delivery drivers, rideshare workers, even companies trying to green their image by leasing for their employees. Narrowing your customer focus can set you apart quickly. One big advantage here, EVs have lower maintenance costs than gas cars. Brake pads last longer, oil changes don't exist. A battery replacement might set you back, but realistically, EVs are cheaper to manage long-term. Scale equals savings. Where people freeze up is funding. Yes, EVs are expensive, but the tax credits and grants? Nuts. For instance, businesses in some states can get $7,500 or more per vehicle. Do the math. It may cut your costs in half. Pro tip, don't just buy the super luxury brands. Affordable options like Nissan Leafs or Hyundai Ioniqs lower your entry costs and appeal to everyday users. Think practicality over flash. People care about saving money and helping the planet, not just looking cool. Okay, now for your step-by-step. 1. Research local incentives. 2. Apply for grants. 3. Buy a handful of flexible, high-demand EV models to pilot. 4. Partner with charging network providers for bulk discounts. And 5. Start leasing contracts. Here's where people mess up. They forget the infrastructure. Leasing EVs requires access to charging. Get deals with local charging stations or consider installing your own for your fleet. Convenience is half the battle for customers. Marketing sounds trickier than it is. Focus on showing your customers how your service saves them money over owning a gas car or even buying an EV outright. Leasing is budget-friendly, especially for those skeptical of commitment. One key strategy: partnerships. Partner with local cafes, gyms, or even co-working spaces where people park. Offer referral discounts. Businesses love aligning with eco-friendly ventures. Capitalize on that. Build a network that works for you. Long-term? The real goldmine is fleet management. Imagine scores of small businesses relying on you to handle their transition into EVs. Focus on building these recurring revenue streams, and you're looking at exponential growth. Final thought. We're at a tipping point for EV adoption. Timing matters. Jump in now while demand is climbing, but competition is manageable. The world is ever more green-minded, and at this intersection of profit and purpose, you can thrive.